Are you ready for a message that will transform your day? Today, your angel is speaking directly to you. Listen carefully. You and that special person are leaving fear behind and trusting the process. Something big is about to happen. Do you feel the tension in the air? It's because an important message is on its way. Someone is trying to connect. A conversation needs to happen. Imagine receiving a message saying, "Hi, do you still remember me?" This is the beginning of something new, a small step towards a meeting. Get ready, because many revelations are about to emerge. That person is beginning to understand the depth of the desire and passion they feel for you. Be alert, the universe is conspiring in your favor. That person feels an urgent need to speak out what is kept in the heart. It's as if the weight of the unspoken words is suffocating their soul, and they know they need to share this with you. They want to understand if you still feel that desire, if that passion still burns inside you with the same intensity as before. This is fundamental to them, because their happiness is deeply connected to the certainty that these feelings are mutual. They know that these feelings cannot simply be made to disappear. In the past, maybe you both lived in a codependent relationship, where mutual obsession dominated everything. But now, as time passes and maturity is gained, you realize that it is crucial to seek balance. You are learning to live this passion in a healthy way, without letting it completely control your actions. You are together on this journey of learning, trying to find ways to channel this desire in a way that further strengthens the bond between you. It is a constant process of understanding and mutual growth, where each day brings a new opportunity to reconnect and reaffirm the love you share. This person wants to share something very special, something they have kept in their heart for a long time. They have deep feelings for you, and this is not something fleeting or recent. These feelings may have existed for years. However, time is just a detail in the face of the intensity of this feeling. No matter how much time passes, what really matters is how much you mean to them. Every time they go to bed, their mind is filled with the sweet idea of having you by their side. And when they wake up, these fantasies continue, bringing a smile to their face as they imagine a life with you. They keep this a secret because it is very intimate and precious to them. In their fantasies, they see themselves living a stable and incredibly happy life with you. Every detail, every moment, is carefully imagined with much care and love. They dream of a future where you share moments of joy, mutual support, and unconditional love. However, this happiness seems a little distant and unattainable at the moment. Perhaps due to life circumstances or insecurities they carry, but the desire remains firm and true. The dream of being with you is what warms their heart on the coldest days and brightens their darkest nights. It is a pure feeling that grows each day, waiting for the right moment to reveal itself. They deeply wish for you to know how important you are to them, how every thought of you makes them happy. And above all, they hope that one day this fantasy can become a reality, bringing the happiness they both imagine. They believe that true love can overcome any obstacle and hope, with all their heart, that you feel the same way about them. There is a special and predestined energy between you and this person, a connection that transcends the ordinary and becomes something truly meaningful. It's as if a cycle is ending, bringing with it a new phase, especially the cycle of silence. You can expect that soon, that person will wake up on any given morning with an uncontrollable feeling that they need to talk to you. In their heart, they will think, "I need this person to feel what I am feeling." That person recognizes, at a deep and emotional level, that you are part of their soul. The connection between you is intense and true, something that goes beyond common understanding. You are now in a moment of transition, that period before a new beginning, where everything seems uncertain and undefined. You don't exactly know what the future holds, but the certainty that you still harbor feelings for each other is undeniable. The mutual attraction is strong and palpable, but current circumstances make it seem like making this relationship work at this exact moment is impossible. You are there, full of doubts, wondering if you are wasting time, if you are good enough, or if it's already too late. You know, these insecurities are normal, but don't let them overpower you. Now is the time to act, to take a leap of faith. The person on the other side is doing just that by reaching out to you. Both of you are reconnecting, and this is not dangerous in a negative way. On the contrary, it's exciting, full of potential. This person wants to open their heart, and it's essential that you make it work. Think of it as an opportunity to show how much you have grown, how much you have evolved. It's time to prove that your love has never faded, to show that you are ready to care, to build something together. Both of you have options, even if you don't realize it. There is an energy around you, interfering in some way. It's not necessarily something negative, but it's something secretive, a secret about to be revealed. Something sacred and precious, something you would keep in your diary, something you wouldn't tell anyone. There will be an important conversation, a great revelation. And don't worry, it's not negative. It's something that needed to happen, something that will bring clarity to both of you. This is the moment to open your heart, to let all emotions flow freely. It is the chance to reconnect deeply and sincerely. Sharing intimate feelings, allowing vulnerability to become the bridge that connects two souls, is something of an indescribable beauty. This revelation, this moment of sincerity, will bring a clarity and understanding that both have been seeking for a long time. The beauty of the moment lies precisely in this openness, in this sincerity, in this connection that can only be built through vulnerability. This person wants to move, wants to travel to be with you. They have been keeping this a secret definitively and now are confiding in someone about what they plan to do. There have been conversations about this in the past. This person promised to come to you or vice versa, and it didn't happen. Someone felt abandoned. There might have been some kind of lie, secret, and even if it wasn't entirely clear, it still created a lot of pain. Finally, the time has come to open the heart and tell the whole truth about what really happened between you. Revealing the reasons that prevented the relationship from moving forward and sharing how this person truly feels about you is an important and courageous step. They feel a deep need to tell everything that happened between you to a trusted person. They are going through a transition, leaving behind a situation that no longer makes sense, a relationship that no longer fulfills them. Now, they are ready to move forward and seek a new direction in their life. It's not just about freeing themselves from a relationship that no longer satisfies them, but also about fulfilling a desire to travel and be by your side. This person's heart is full of willingness to share moments and experiences with you. They may not directly say, "I am traveling to see you," but be attentive to the small clues and signals. She may use some excuse, a seemingly casual reason, just to get closer to you and feel your presence. This move is a reflection of her true intention and the sincere feeling she nurtures for you. It is a desire to start over, to live something new and special by your side. This encounter could be the beginning of a new phase, where truth and genuine feeling will be the pillars of a stronger and deeper relationship. Believe, this person is willing to do whatever it takes to be close to you, to build something true and meaningful. Above all, she wants to be by your side, live this new journey together, and discover what the future holds for both of you. The openness of this person and her willingness to reveal her feelings are clear signs that she is ready for a new stage. She is leaving behind insecurities and uncertainties to embrace the possibility of a true and lasting love with you. You are about to receive a message, an email, maybe even a phone call. No matter how, but this communication is on the way. At first, what this person will tell you may not be what you expect. It may leave you disappointed or confused. Her words may not make immediate sense. Perhaps they will be difficult to digest. But suddenly, without warning, she will completely open up and say, "I can't stop thinking about you. I need to see you, travel to where you are, be by your side. I can't move on without resolving what we had in the past." Do you feel the same? This will be a moment of great revelation and impact. You will realize that you would both be willing to change your entire lives to be together. Your relationship, which was once a closely guarded secret, will be something that both of you will want to protect and cherish. This love, which seemed to be your secret garden, will become an essential part of your lives. There was a feeling that there could never be total transparency about everything. Someone was carrying a lot of shame for having this big secret in their life. So that person will confess, "I want to be with you. I want to leave everything behind and be together, at least try. I'm not crazy about what I feel for you. It's something that I don't think I can feel for anyone else." This statement will be full of sincerity and emotion. It will be the moment when you will face what you feel for each other, without barriers or fears. The honesty of this moment will be almost palpable, and the desire to be together, undeniable. It will be a confession full of emotion, something that cannot be felt by anyone else. This kind of message, coming from the bottom of the heart, has the power to change everything. It will stir your emotions, make you question your choices, bring up feelings that maybe you were trying to hide. But at the same time, it will open doors to a deeper connection, a truer love, and a more solid relationship. This is the essence of what is about to happen. It seems like confusion and fear have taken over you, right? That feeling of not knowing where to go, but at the same time, the certainty that you want to be together. It's as if, when you are apart, an essential part of each one is missing. It's profound, a sensation that half of the soul is absent. I understand that uncertainty can be overwhelming. The feeling of being lost, directionless, can be very heavy. But one thing is certain, the desire to be together is immense. When you are separated, it feels like something vital is missing. The connection you share is strong and intense. What to do about it? The answer is not simple. You need to talk, understand what each of you really wants. You have to open up, show vulnerabilities, insecurities. Only then can you make a decision that makes sense to both. Don't let third parties interfere with what you feel. This is a journey of you two. A new situation is emerging. It is as if we were finally saying, "Let's try this, let's stop talking about it and take action." For so long, there have been many conversations, promises, and secrets between the two of you, but it was never about someone else. There was a strong feeling of perhaps jealousy, control, even an obsession between you. At some point, someone thought that maybe you were not good for each other, but now you are ready to be much more comfortable together. However, this needs to happen in the real world, not just by exchanging emails or text messages. This needs to be a fresh start in person. You both crave each other's presence, touch, each other's body. And this is going to happen fast. On the other hand, she doesn't want you to feel pressured, doesn't want to force you to be present all the time. What she wants is something deeper, a let's leave everything behind and move forward together. It is a powerful connection, an immense commitment that you are about to make. The attraction between you is intense, with love coming from both sides. There is tremendous energy about how much you desire each other, but your partner is a little scared. They might be keeping this situation as a fantasy, thinking, "If I come to you, will you be happy or will you ignore me? Will you push me away?" This person is afraid of rejection, of being denied by you. That is why they are protecting themselves. They are afraid to fully open up, and therefore, hesitate to say that they are making this big change to be with you. Instead, they may say, "I am doing this for myself, not for you." But that is completely false, because you are the real reason why they want to change everything, transform their entire life, and leave many things behind. She has been feeling dissatisfied with life, both in love and in work and family. Everything seems too heavy, and the difficulties seem endless. She feels an urgent need for a fresh start. She feels she deserves a new beginning. And there you come in, always giving the necessary space for her to be who she truly wants to be. You see her in a unique way, something she has never experienced before, being truly seen and heard. She puts up many mental barriers out of fear of the intensity of desire and overwhelming passion she feels for you. Even with these barriers, the spiritual connection between you is strong. You feel each other, regardless of what happens in the real world. You are constantly in each other's thoughts, and she can't control herself when she thinks of you, when she wishes to be by your side. This generates a lot of fear, but also a deep desire. A personal issue is finally coming to a resolution. The weight of this burden has been heavy, but you will allow yourselves to be vulnerable. She wants to open up, to show that you are the one, and she is ready to demonstrate this vulnerability. The suffering and stress, despite being intense, are about to come to an end. It will be a difficult process, but necessary. You need to open up, to cry, to listen to what the other has to say, to face the deepest fears and expose the desires. She wants to be with you and will do whatever it takes for that to happen, so be ready. You are very close to achieving your goal. You have been doing everything right, being open and patient. She still loves you and hopes you know that. She hopes it's not too late. She is willing to risk everything, to lose everything, as long as she can be with you in the end. Her determination is clear, and she wants you to understand the depth of love and commitment she feels. Therefore, you will finally be able to find the peace and happiness you both deserve together. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Enter, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings it contains for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and be attentive to the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.